the best alternative to PayPal for Ghanaians. In this video, I'm going to show you the best alternative to PayPal, which is indirectly PayPal itself. So let's see how we can hack this. Let's hop onto the computer and I'll show you how. So on your browser, you can just type in XOOM. I don't know how we'll call that. We'll call that Zoom or Zoom. Zoom Money Online, Zoom, a PayPal service. So as I said, we are using PayPal, but indirectly, we are not using PayPal. This is the easiest way to send money to Ghana. This is how you tell anybody who is sending money to you, either a service or an individual, to send money to you in Ghana for you to pick up. So if the person asks for your PayPal account, tell him you have a PayPal account, but you cannot withdraw the money from your PayPal account because you're a Ghanaian and PayPal doesn't work in Ghana. But there is a service which is a PayPal service. So indirectly, that is a PayPal account that you can then withdraw your money or take your money right here in Ghana. I'll link to a video you can send to the person to do that if he doesn't know how to go about it. It's very, very simple. And that is a way you send money to someone abroad through PayPal with no hassle at all and no additional charges. It's only going through another PayPal service so that people who are not PayPal compliant or countries which are not PayPal compliant can have their citizens use PayPal indirectly. So even without a PayPal account, someone can send you money through PayPal with this method. So send money to, then you choose the country here, Ghana, and immediately it will tell you how much you want to send to the person here in Ghana. So let's say you want to send $200 to the person. There's the amount that the person is going to receive. So you say send now. So even without a PayPal account, just about Zoom, a PayPal service, anybody who has a PayPal account can send the money to you. If you have a PayPal account, it also works for you. I'll link to a video. It's simple and it's revolutionary. There is a way we Ghanaians can access PayPal indirectly. So the person would then put the money he's sending to you here, continue. As I said, if the person send the money through PayPal, that is through your PayPal email address, you may not be able to withdraw the money. The only way you can be able to get this money is when the person sends this through Zoom, which is a PayPal service, where you go and pick the money from a cash pickup point. The person cannot even send the money from his own PayPal balance. He can only send it through a card he has linked to his PayPal account or his bank account. It's as simple as that. PayPal balance doesn't work with Ghanaians. All we want is a card linked to your PayPal account or your bank account. And this is the process. The only option for Ghanaians is a cash pickup point. You cannot send the money to a bank account. You just go and pick the money, like you go pick Western Union or Ria Money Transfer. Click continue. And the person is either sending it through a bank account or through his credit card or through a debit card. It's as simple as that. He will log in and it will go through his PayPal account. So then it will log into his PayPal account. He can also continue with PayPal. It's as simple as that. The person can then send you the money. If the person has a Zoom account already, he will just log in. If he doesn't, he can continue with PayPal. That is the beauty of this. Either you are using Zoom as a standalone money transfer service or going through PayPal. So let's continue with PayPal. Very well. So now we can send the money through PayPal, but using Zoom. It's a beautiful thing, and a few people know about this. So the person will be taken to PayPal, and then he can then either send you money or reload your mobile phone. This was what Zoom could allow Ghanaians or send a Ghanaian when it first started. So when I received an email, let me show you the email about Zoom and how PayPal wants to use Zoom for bank deposits abroad, the only option for Ghanaians was to reload phones. But lately, people can send money to Ghana and you can go and pick it up. So both ways works. So if a person has a PayPal account, he can do these two things for you. And it's as simple as that. He can send the money, choose the country, Ghana, and that is how someone can send you money even through the Zoom website without going through PayPal first. So through the Zoom platform, they can continue through PayPal and use the card linked to their PayPal account to pay you indirectly. It's a beautiful thing. So the person will just put in the amount, let's say $150. And there's the amount you receive. You can continue. All I'm doing is not what you would do as a Ghanaian, but the person who is sending you the money will do this. Ghanaians can only go to a cash pickup point to take the money. We cannot send the money to a bank account. The person will continue and he will choose whether he is using his bank account linked to PayPal, a credit card linked to PayPal, a debit card linked to PayPal. So let's say a credit card linked to PayPal. And then the person will continue. Speak to customer service of businesses that you are working for. Speak to their customer service that, hey, I'm a Ghanaian, I'm working for you. Don't send the money to my PayPal balance because I cannot take the money. Send it through PayPal and Zoom. Send that video to them so that they will know how to do this for you and you can go and take your money hassle free. So these are all banks Zoom, a PayPal service works with. You can go to them and pick your money, like you go pick Western Union or Ria Money Transfer. This is the total amount you'll be getting. The transaction fee is there. Then recipient information, they put it here. The person will just continue to payment. The recipient email address, this is the email address of you and your phone number. Give all those details to the person, your address, your first name and your last name, and the person will just pay you. What you take to the banks is a valid ID and the transaction ID the person would be given here. The system will generate a transaction ID for the person. It will be sent to your email address. The person will also give it to you as well. You go to the bank and this is what you show and you go and retrieve your money. It's as simple as that. So this is the best PayPal alternative I can show you. It's the best PayPal alternative, even though it's the same PayPal, because this is a service by PayPal, Zoom, a PayPal service. So if you really enjoyed this video, click on thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, click on that. Whenever there are videos like this, you get them automatically. Thank you, and I really appreciate you enjoy this video.